She told me she was so lonely. I told my homie I sent him to Bone in the zone, helping a friend that I know. I be giving a fuck about the mortal hell. I know I'm living in this mortal shell. Create my own, I know where I go. I got adventure, gotta be creating my own path. Gotta be doing what I'm doing, gotta be looking at the aftermath. Gotta be looking at my books, gotta be getting it, gotta be earning. I gotta be earning, I gotta be getting in the path. Gotta be getting it on, I know that I gotta be doing it strong. I got the God, He's just in my zone. Thank you for the light, everything I own. My tempo, now I know. I'ma follow my instincts, I'ma go. I'ma follow the flow, I'ma learn to grow. I'ma go with the soul, I'ma go where I go. I know I'ma go pro, really seen. You're gonna be part of the dream. 1 year like a week to me. I'ma make you all see I can be so God, so free. I'ma live this big money life tree ride. I'ma get it all, I'ma never hide. I'ma get up on top, you will all see the side. How to be, how to get it humble. I'ma be the one to never mumble or stumble or crumble. I know I'll be one. I'm the God of light inside. I gotta run, I'm the sun. Gotta be burning the world, know that I gotta be turning it all. Know that I gotta be rolling snake eyes in the hall. Got the luck and love, I got respect. I got people in hot places I don't use or direct. I got it all, you don't know who I am. Humble beginnings, I started small with the plan. Now I'm coming back even bigger. I don't know how the fuck it happened, I just pulled the trigger. Step by step, things will happen. Follow my own soul, follow my instincts as I know. I've lived this whole life that I know 1,000 times. I'm so old, I know I've been here before. The light and dark could coexist. I know how to trend fix this gift. It's my turn in this mortal shell. I know this world is turned to mortal hell. This is not the way, I'm about to change it all. I'ma give you the power and descend it all up to the sky. Take my hand, I'll show you how to fly. Believe in me and never die. Immortal is how we go. I got the knowledge you wanna know.